Hello, dear traders. My name is Oleg Prishepa. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. Let's start our weekly review. Our total profitability is plus 196%. This week, we additionally withdrew some funds from the account, and now you can see that we almost took all the money we invested 3 years ago back, and trading almost on the profit we received from the strategy. So it's a good sign. I think that some like within maybe 3 or 4 months we're going to make enough profit to completely withdraw the initial investments, and we'll be trading fully on the profit we made. And by the way, we doubled the initial investment, so we started from 5K. Now we like withdraw almost 5K and have 10K more. So like it's really good. Speaking about the profitability of the current week, we made plus 1.5%, and total profitability of February is 6.2%, and we have all perspectives to see, I think, even 8% till the end of the month, because we have a week and a half ahead. So let's see how it goes. For now, let's switch to the MetaTrader platform and see how we were trading during the current week. The first currency pair we start with is GBP to USD on 1 hour time frame. I highlighted the previous week with a gray rectangle. And from a technical point of view, I think you remember that we were growing since the end of September. We had a very strong uptrend, and finally, the last week, like the previous week, we managed to break the trend line, and now we are consolidating in the lower part of this section of the market. And as you can see, we are very close to the previous support levels, and market step by step pushes us down, and it means that we're going to see more buying trades than selling ones. Also, this week we tried to break the previous highs, but the attempt was unsuccessful, and actually we were growing for 2 days, and then like 3 days of like maybe new local downtrend. First of all, we closed our buying trades from the previous week. Then we were selling, averaging our deals, and closed them with profit. When market turned around, we started buying, and for now, uh, we have like two selling trades that we made on Friday. We're waiting for the market to bounce back from the previous resistance level. If not, we have some extra levels from where market can turn back at the beginning of the next week, and we're going to close all our deals with profit. If we'll start falling from from Monday, I think we'll close our deals and we'll be buying after the retest and after we successfully break the previous support level. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar. It feels better. We didn't like renew any lows, and but you can see we're trying to break the previous low for 5 times during this week, and you can see that actually the like maximums are decreasing. So we have a probability that we'll finally break this support level because we spent a lot of time at the top of like the local top of the market, and as you can see, we're consistently decreasing, starting from the middle of January, like falling, falling, falling. And you can see that the impulses, with like you can see it on the red candles, they're much more stronger than the corrections we see after market bounces back. So the probability of decrease from my point of view is really high. We didn't have a lot of trades. The volatility was not big for this currency pair. We even didn't break and didn't approach to the previous resistance level. So we started Monday from closing our previous trades from Friday. Then on Tuesday we sold, and on closed this deal with profit. And on Wednesday we bought on them opposite the impulse, and on Friday we closed it with profit. So waiting for the market to show us the direction, and we'll be trading against the next impulse. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. As you can see, we are still in this uptrend since the middle of December. No trades were made because we didn't break any sufficient levels. So we tried to retest the previous resistance level. It was unsuccessful. We didn't approach even to the previous support level. So the settings for these algorithm are conservative. So that's why we need to see a good impulse before we're going to be trading against it. So I hope that the next week will finally break the previous resistance level. As you can see, it's hard for the market because the more expensive currency becomes, obviously, the more people are likely to sell it on the reversal movement. The previous attempt to break a new resistance level, we made it from the fourth attempt here. But like now we were trying like one, two, like three times. Maybe Monday or Tuesday we'll see the breakdown, and we're going to be selling against this impulse. The next currency pair is New Zealand to Canadian dollar. We have an opposite situation. We are falling down and like successfully breaking new support levels one by one. If you remember, we had this support level from January, and we were retesting it on the previous week several times. And on Monday, even previous Friday and Monday, we broke it. We bounced off, actually, as we expected. We had this trade and it was closed on Monday. Then we like retested again. We bought here. We made new local lows, then we retested these lows, broke them, and we averaged our open trades. One of the robots closed its position on Friday with a small profit, and another one still has two trades and will be waiting for the market to come a little bit higher to close them with profit. And like for this currency pair, like everything seems to be like clear for me. We're pushing, like we're going down. We still have some support levels in the past, but let's see how the week starts. The last currency pair for today is Australian to Canadian dollar. It looks more sustainable than NZD-CAD. Obviously, that we we're trying to break the previous support level, and sometimes it was even like successful, but it didn't last more than like a couple of hours. Each time we were uh, diving into this like price range, the market, as you can see, was pushing us back on like Monday, then on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. We also started week from closing our previous trades from the last Friday. We closed them with profit. Then one of the algorithms sold at the local top of the market, and we closed this position with profit. And then both algorithms started um, buying on the reversal movement, and now we currently have two robots active, so waiting for the market to come a little bit higher, to rise a little bit, and close. We're going to close all our deals with profit. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone who subscribed for Trading Hero. I'm sure that you are making good profits with us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me like in private. You can write on Telegram. And if you would like to like tell more about Trading Hero, to share the information with your friends, also please feel free to ask me if you need any presentation, any promo materials, because the more people trade with Trading Hero, like the more like people will be making money. And one of the rules how you can become richer is to make people who surround you rich, and Trading Hero helps with this goal. So we'll keep in touch, stay tuned, and see you next Saturday.